Okay, so this video is it's been a long time coming. I haven't posted anything regarding a video for the car in a year and a half or so. I've been lazy, I will admit, but I'm trying to get back into it. You know, the funny thing is, like, I have videos on my phone that I meant to post, but I just forgot. And that's my bad, because there's been a huge jump. Like, the last video I posted, I think it was in September of 2023 regarding this car, my yellow one. And that was when it was running and I was doing an oil change. But I got it running last year in April. I think it was like April 8th of 2024. I had to get creative because I didn't feel like messing with my ignition switch any longer. And so I got creative and made what I call the floodgate. Other people know it for something else, but I don't really want to say it. But I will do my best to post those videos. Obviously, they're probably not necessary now because it's been so much later. But I've done so much work to this car, and I plan on doing more. Like, I need to do body work. I tend to all this rust, and there's a lot more, and I'll get to that. But today, we are going to be working on my sending unit. I need to fix the door. We'll be working on my sending unit because, and I don't feel like turning on the car right now, it doesn't read how much gas I have. And I've only been stuck on the side of the road once, and I'm praying that I won't have to again. But let's get that fixed. So the sending unit is in the front because this is a German car. So the engine is actually in the back of the car. And I need to take off the mat that I have over my tank. So give me 1 second. So I will say it is quite messy. I keep tools in here and oil and brake fluid just in case. I don't want to get stuck on the road and I can't do anything about it. And so I can change my tire if I have to. This I need to get rid of. Oh, and something's leaking on me. But it's brake fluid. Great. It's all over my hand. Wonderful. Anyways, down here is where the magic is. So that's a loose wire. I need to take care of this. Right here is the sending unit. This is obviously my gas tank. So I'm gonna unplug it. Just give me a second. So I was mistaken. I saw a video online where this lady did this on her Bug, and they were screws. I did not know that I had to get my ratchet, but that's okay. I went ahead and grabbed it anyway. Just had to go deal with some wasps. But it's whatever. So, you know what? I can use my 1/4. About 9. Oh no, it's too much. So much crap in here. I just washed my car too. I did it on like Tuesday, and it rained immediately after. I was so mad, and it only rained for an hour. So let me, oh wait, get that unplugged. Yeah, I was so mad about that. But let me come back to this when I'm done. So I was able to unscrew them. I left on some tightness because I don't know why. That's all right. Let me just take these off. Yeah, so my sending unit went bad around last year, but I wasn't. Ooh, wow, that's strong. The immediate smell of gas. But I wasn't driving the car as much as I am now. And I gotta get that off now. So I didn't bother getting it replaced. But I've had a replacement now just sitting in my garage for a long time. And I realized I can't live like this. Holy shit, come on. Yeah, just drain. The cool thing about this, though, this is the original one with the car. And I'm extremely proud of that. You know, I love this car so much. More than others. And you know, it's my deep pride. Okay, yeah, that's what I needed. Deep pride to have it. And right here is the replacement. Was this piece on there? Oh, do I have to wire that myself? No? There's a chance I might need to do some wiring. I don't feel like it, but I might have to. Damn. Well, this is the new gasket. The cool thing is I can switch out. My old bolts for screws, which I think I might do. That's fun. Mind you, this is my first time doing this. So, where is... Gosh, this thing is all beat up. There wasn't even a sensor on this thing. But I imagine it's this. Just gonna unsheath it. And then there we go. Gently go in the hole. That's what. Never mind. think. Honestly, I think I prefer having the screws because I don't carry my toolbox with me. I carry my screwdrivers with me. And I do have the emergency kit, but I feel like it would also be better because there are some people who don't know how to use ratchets. And if I need help, I don't want to get screwed the bad way. And they don't know how to help me, so I think I will just switch it over just to make my life easier and the life of those who are trying to help me. Let me just get it whole. Yeah, I gotta. Oh, it's a horn ring. No, I don't need that. And then this. Yeah, I apologize. I'm going through all my parts because I keep everything in a bag. I'm not sure if well, those of you who know me know that I have 2 of these cars, the 71 Fastback. Those of you who don't, I have 2 of these cars, the 71 Fastback. So this sending unit was actually going to be for that second car, but it's been non-op for almost 2 years. Well, a year and a half. And then when my sending unit went out, I was like, oh, perfect. I'll even show a picture of my second one. I was thinking to myself, oh, perfect. You know, I have a spare one in the garage. I could just use that. Wanna go down? Okay, good. Yeah, so that was perfect for me. From the last time that I posted anything, we've gotten a Karmann Ghia. It's a 1969. That is now our oldest Volkswagen. So that's pretty cool. In fact, I don't know. Maybe message me or comment if you want to see videos about that one. Yeah, so if you want to see videos about that, just let me know. Because I'm mainly focusing on my car. Our bus is running now. That's pretty cool. And, you know, my uncle's Volkswagen Trike is in our backyard now. It's a lot of Volkswagen. I will say that. It's a lot of Volkswagen. But that's just who we are, you know? There are people that criticize me for, you know, my interest in Volkswagen and whatnot. I don't give a damn. People make fun of me saying they're unreliable cars. You know, that may be, but I sure as hell am happy. Because if it wasn't for this car, I wouldn't have any sort of mechanic skill. Nothing mechanical whatsoever. And I'm grateful for that. You know, nowadays, and you know, I said this on my first college paper, Everybody should have a Volkswagen. They really should. You know, they're fun cars. They need a lot of work. So much work. But the love that you get when you work on them, it's amazing. Maybe it'll fit. This way. Give me a second while I figure this out. All right, I was able to figure it out. I just had the sending unit the wrong way. I had it angled in a weird manner. There we go. And I didn't want to go down. Okay. Just gonna check one more time. See if they're on there nicely. Okay. Let me plug it back in. Perfect. And then I'm gonna clean up and I will catch back with you to see if it works. Okay, so let me just plug in, you know, my nice Hello Kitty. I gotta shake my wheel 1 second. So, I'm trying to get better at these. As we know, what I did worked. I was able to fix it, and I would like to get better at making these videos because I have been struggling, and don't worry, I'm fixing this on my own, with trying to be better. And you know, working on the cars helped me with that. I realized that I've been having this disconnect with myself, and it's been really putting me behind, and I would like to overpass that. So I'm gonna keep working on the car. I'm gonna keep making these videos. I will do my best to publish those videos. Let me know if you would like to see the videos that I did record, because I have videos in my files about me working on this car, getting it back to life. So if you want to see those, just let me know. But, you know, thank you, and I hope that you can potentially learn something from this. Keep in mind, I am all new to this. I've never worked on a car before. I would like to keep doing it because I enjoy the skill. I believe that everybody should have a skill in the mechanical field, because you shouldn't have to rely on others. You can do things on your own. You can do anything. You really can. So I will catch you guys next time.